Tired of being forced to log in just to use your Nvidia graphics card and having your every move tracked? The first method is about bypassing the GeForce Experience entirely to install drivers. Many of us just want these driver updates, but Nvidia wants our data, so it forces the login. Navigate to the Nvidia website, click on Drivers in the top navigation. On the Download Drivers page, enter your graphics card details, which include your product type, product series and operating system. After selecting your driver configuration, click the Search button, then select the Download button. Next, we can use a third-party driver management tool that allows you to install the drivers without all the extra bloatware and without logging in. In this utility, you can select the components you actually want, stripping away all the telemetry and unnecessary features that collect your data. Run the downloaded driver installer through the tool, deselecting any features you deem unnecessary. This keeps your install clean and private, keeping your personal information safe from prying eyes. These methods help bypass those annoying logins and reduce the data collected by Nvidia, helping to reclaim your privacy. Remember, your data is valuable, so protect it.